internet cousins, get on in here and sit down so we can talk about this weight loss. Y'all come on in the room, put your church finger up, come on in and sit down. Some of y'all skip Sunday school, so you miss a little bit of it. But that's okay. I'm going to give you the meat of it. Come on in here, y'all. What's going on to my subscribers? Huge shout out to my channel members. What's going on? How the heck are ya? All right. So I'm just going to, get myself together. And while that's happening, I'm just going to tell you about my December to January weight loss. I'm still on this journey, y'all, but I'm just specifically talking about December to January. I lost a substantial amount of weight. I started off at 190 in December. Your girl was eating good. Hormones were fluctuating. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Perimenopause in the building. Does not give a darn about my feelings or my consideration. All right. Okay. If you know, you know. All right. So it can be kind of hard to get rid of perimenopause weight. It's just weird. It's odd. Although sometimes I like where it sits these days. You know what I'm saying? Where my weight gain sits. I'm not gonna lie to you. But then it can just get ignorant. Okay, and it got ignorant. Okay, so the December picture that you saw, that was my son's graduation, and that was December of last year, and I was 190 pounds, and y'all, my mom and them came down. I ate good that day too, child. I was just eating good and happy and hormonal and all the things, so period, right? So then I was like, let me get my life together, right? So I started, I think January 1st, actually. Yeah, January 1st. I went on a fast. Now, I know there are different reasons that people fast. There are spiritual fasts, there are weight loss fasts, there are health fasts, all of the things, right? So, the fast that I'm going to talk about is the fast that I did for weight loss, because that's what triggered the weight loss, right? And that, my friends, is the alternate day fasting. Now, a big shout out to my girl Brittany. She's actually the one who put the bug in my ear. The Hearts and Cake, y'all may know her by, but she's lost so much weight using the alternate day fasting method. And y'all, she works out. She does the 30-day keep it moving 30-day challenges and all of the things. So big shout out to her, because she totally motivated me. And I was already active, but perimenopausal weight is different, y'all. It's really stubborn. So sometimes the things that used to work just may not work. So the one thing that I had kind of going for myself is when I first found out about perimenopause, one of the first things my doctor told me was to pick up the weights. I was already active as far as working out, but I was doing a lot of cardio, all of the things. She was like, girl, pick up those weights, okay? It's time, all right? Because, as you age, you lose muscle mass. You don't want to do that, right? You want to be strong, picking up the grands and the great grands and all the things, and tossing them in the air and picking them up and going to the grocery store with them and all the things, right? Okay, so pick up the weight. So I had already been kind of weight training, but again, that perimenopausal weight is just, it's a different animal. So I said, you know what? I'm going to try the alternate day fasting. Usually my husband and I fast sometime at the beginning of the year anyways, but that's for different reasons. So, that's more personal type reasons. But as far as the alternate day fasting, that specifically was for weight loss. And when I tell you, that thing right there works. So what you can do is, what I do is I fast. It ends up being the equivalent of 36 hours. So what I'll do is I'll eat, and just say if I stop eating at 8 p.m., I'm just going to throw out a number. If I stop eating at 8 p.m., then tomorrow I won't eat at all. And then the next day I won't eat until 8 a.m. So I do it. I try to like stick with that so I get a full 36 hours of a fast. And yeah, basically that's what I do. So you either on your fast day, you can either not eat, period, or you can just be in a serious calorie deficit, like eat very little. So some people eat nuts, like fruit, whatever, you know, it's just be very low in calories. So I fasted that whole month, and by the end of the month, I was down to 175, y'all. That's it. That's all. Now, I will say these are the vitamins that I take every single day. They work for me. I definitely feel better when I take those one-a-days. As you can see, I'm almost done. That's for hair, skin, and nails. You don't have to do that. This right here, y'all, if you guys are going through the perimenopausal state and you want to stay super natural, so you're looking for, you know, things that are like suitable for hormone balancing, but it's natural, try these. It may work for you. My energy shot up, y'all, through the roof. Oh my goodness, my moods evened out, all of those things. It really helps. I don't get really bad cramps. They say it works on, you know, it helps eases the cramping. So I'm not exactly sure about that, because personally I don't get really bad cramps. But as far as my mood evening out, you know, just kind of getting back level centered. So if you kind of just want to stay on that route of natural sort of supplements to kind of ease some of those symptoms that you can deal with in perimenopause and presuming menopause, yeah, maybe try that. Maybe give it a try and let me know if you feel it. You know, give it like, you know, a few days of taking it to kind of build up in your system. But they have been great for me. Yeah, that's how I lost that much weight in a month, y'all. I'm actually still doing it to this day. The only difference is, whereas that first full month on my fast days, no food at all. Now on my fast days, I'll eat like a cup of walnuts or something like that. That's what I'll have all day. And that's just if I'm just really hungry. Other days I'll completely fast on fast days. So let me know if you have any questions, but that's really it. And yeah, and I'm still losing, y'all. I'll give you updates, but it works. It works. All right, y'all. Peace, love, light.